Welcome to the enchanting city of Seville, Spain's Andalusian gem teeming with history, culture, and charm. Seville is one of the largest cities in Spain. It is the capital of Andalusia, the southernmost region of Spain. The best time to visit Seville is from April to May and from September to October, to avoid the really muggy heat typical of summer and the rain of winter. There are countless reasons why Seville should be on your travel bucket list, and here are the 10 best things to do in this beautiful city. Begin your journey at Seville Cathedral, the largest Gothic cathedral in the world. Admire its intricate facades, explore its expansive interior, and climb the Giralda Tower for a panoramic view of the city. Each corner of this cathedral has a story to tell. Right next door is the real Alcázar, a royal palace that's a stunning blend of Christian and Moorish architecture. Walk through its lush gardens, gaze at its ornate stucco work, and feel like royalty as you traverse its luxurious halls. Seville's historic district, Santa Cruz, is a labyrinth of narrow streets, hidden plazas, and whitewashed houses. This former Jewish quarter is perfect for leisurely strolls, shopping for unique souvenirs, or just sitting at a cafe and soaking up the ambience. Next, visit the Plaza de España, a magnificent semicircular complex with a grand fountain at its center. Hire a rowboat to glide along its canal, or simply marvel at the beautifully tiled alcoves representing Spain's provinces. Experience the passion and rhythm of flamenco at Casa de la Memoria. Enjoy an intimate performance of this traditional Andalusian dance, which is both an art form and a heartfelt expression of the local culture. Don't miss the Metropole Parasol, also known as the Mushrooms of the Incarnation. This modern wooden structure offers a stark contrast to the city's historic landmarks. The rooftop walkway provides an unparalleled view of Seville's skyline. Seville's food scene is a gastronomic delight. Indulge in tapas hopping, savoring bite-sized portions of local dishes at various bars. From mouth-watering Iberian ham to fresh seafood, it's an Epicurean adventure you won't forget. Take a leisurely cruise down the Guadalquivir River. As you float along this historic waterway, you'll pass by iconic landmarks like the Torre del Oro and the Maestranza Bullring. It's a relaxing way to see the city from a different perspective. As you explore the wonders of Seville, don't miss the Plaza de Toros de la Real Maestranza, one of the oldest and most prestigious bullrings in all of Spain. You will be able to visit the bullring and its associated museum and learn about the history of bullfighting. Feel the city's pulse at the Feria de Abril, Seville's most famous festival. Don your best flamenco attire, dance sevillanas, and enjoy the colorful casetas, or party tents. It's a vibrant celebration of all things Seville. Finally, end your day at the Triana district, the birthplace of flamenco. Visit the lively market, watch local artisans at work in the ceramic workshops, or simply enjoy the neighborhood's lively atmosphere as the sun sets. If you don't like to sleep and you wake up early, in 2 hours you can go to Granada to visit the Alhambra. The Alhambra is a complex of palaces and fortresses. It is one of the most famous monuments of Islamic architecture and one of the best preserved palaces in the historical Islamic world. These are just some of the things that make Seville such a captivating city. If you get the chance, go to the stadium to watch a Real Betis or Sevilla Football Club football match. You won't be disappointed. There's so much more to discover, so why wait? Start planning your trip to Seville today. Share your opinion. Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to click the subscribe button.